Hello viewers, I come with another tutorial, and this tutorial is about how to restore SSH port to 22 in WHM. Actually 22 is the default port for SSH. So first log into your WHM with the root, and here you can see I have already logged in to my WHM. Then from account information, then list accounts, and then I will get my IP address. Already here is that, and then I will just make sure from IP address I will run this command. I'll just go for it. So I'll just go for it and just paste it here, and here you see I after 2086 I just add this code. So just then I just click enter and it will restart it, and already I have fixed it, so I'll not going to fix it again. Then I will just go for config server firewall. I have already written it here. Then if your server is configured configured with CSF, then enter CSF configuration. So here if we write it here, config server firewall and config server firewall, and if you see here is the under plugins section. So here you see there is a firewall configuration. Yes, and if you write Control F, and if you write it TCP, here I write TCP, and then I just go port number, and I have added 22 port in my TCP. Then I will just restart it, and below just change it. If I click just restart CSF and LFD, that is done. So this is how I can easily this is how I can easily restore SSH port to 22 in WSM. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.